straight to the charts. Okay, I haven't been much on making a video. Sorry, I just lost some of my words. And it's just due to the fact that I am working at the moment, so I just need some time. So the only time I do get is doing the weekly charts on my X Twitter, and also my Discord and my free Telegram, which is open. So you could probably have a look at that. So I'll put my charts on there. And also, it's just I just need a bit more time. So I would hopefully get some more time now, due to the fact I have passed some of my funding challenges, and I will make a video on that. How did I pass it? Alright, let's go straight to the charts. So we are on the daily, H1 DXY. So I always start off with the DXY, and this is the markups I did. So I'm looking at the highs there. So that's an order block. Yeah, one here, equal highs. Okay, let's get rid of this here. So that's a daily OB. I'm pretty much looking at some sort of rejection. So if you go to lower time frames or H1, normally H4 and H1 I do look at, and my entries are normally on, well, it could be minute 30 or minute 15, even minute 5. Depends on the lower time frames, but at this time I just go for the higher time frames. So just looking at sort of this mark here, and if I'm looking some sort of like a rejection that comes here, yeah, something like this. I just marked up here. So here, come back, reject. If there's some sort of fair value gap, we can pretty much have a look at it. I need to have the low broken, I retested, and then the high broken. So normally, yeah, it's something like this I am looking at right now. Yeah, something like this. It is here. So the lows and highs have to be broken and retest and come back, and pretty much more like a fair value gap here, or OB. So if it's rejecting an OB and like a little gap, then I do take a trade. So both sides have to be taken out before I take an entry. Okay, let's move on to the Euro USD pair. Let's go to the daily first. So at this stage, I was looking at the high here. I didn't mark it actually, so could I have a markup on the daily? There we go. Okay, that's taken out there. So the last time it went there was 21 March 24. Yeah, so going to the H4. Well, we could see something here, but more likely I could see another sort of trend here as well. Yep. So if the daily gets taken out, that's a great one. That's one to look out for, and then obviously, something like this. You can have a little fair value gap there. I didn't really look at that much, but I did notice this. This daily high was basically, I did take a trade on where was it? This is my journal here. Okay, NFP. So I did take a trade around. So this is my journal, which I make all my notes there. NFP week. So all this I have marked up. Where was it? I passed one here. Was it this one I passed? I gotta put it up here. Anyway, NFP. Yeah, there's yeah, this is the trade here. I think it was. No, this is not it. Well, where am I going? Sorry about this. Okay, let's go to the... Oops, I'm in the wrong section now. where were we? Okay, Notion, there it is. I don't know, once you click the wrong button, it just goes somewhere else. Alright, we was looking at the EURUSD pair. So that was a similar sort of pair I did, which these are some of my winning trades. See, the low taken out, and then there's another high taken out, and that was rejected on this fair value gap. And this is the trade I did take. This was a break even, but it is a sort of entry that I am looking at. OB, rejection, highs, lows taken out. So it is probably heading towards the Asian high. So the Asian low was taken out. That's another thing I do look at. My winning trade was that I did beat. Where was it? Oh, this one. This one passed me my my funding challenge, 5k. So the high was taken out on an OB. You got another low there. It's BOS. Highs, lows taken out, rejected. I will make a video on that one, but that's a different one. That should be coming up soon. Oh, I hate this. It's sometimes a mouse that is a problem here. I need a new computer. Hopefully, once I make some money on the charts, I will buy a Apple. A Studio, I'm thinking about getting that one and probably make a video on that one. So I did my Windows and my Office, and probably, yeah, have a video on that, my setup. So this fair value gap I am looking at, that's a quite good move here. So it was rejected from this section here, from here, and then going down, but it can't go like this anyway. Well, we will wait until next week and see. This is probably like the AUDCAD is one of my favorite pairs, but at this point, this pair we're looking at is like pinpoint. It's like a ping pong going on here, like a range, I would say. Nothing much, but it's here and then probably go up there. Yeah, something, I don't know. You can have something like this, but then you got this. You got this rejection here, so probably from here it can go up or down. But yeah, more likely these sort of zones I'm looking at. I'm just waiting for the zones to get triggered in. I do put these up. These are, you know, 000 numbers do help. It's just an extra confluence that I do look at. Some of the institution bankers, you know, like 000 numbers, like something, what was it? Yeah, if it's like 7,000 or, you know, what, 8,000, they do help. But at this point, I can't see anything, so let's have a look at this one. Yeah, there's nothing there. So normally 000 is like 89, 900. That's a good one here. But it has to be on OB as well, order block. So this looks quite positive, this one here. Okay, let's go to GBPUSD. I don't really like this pair much, but people do trade it. It's just when you put the pip size, it just goes a bit high. You know, it's more of a risk on this one. So you risk more on GBP pairs that I've known anyway. But I do trade this one as well, but not as much as EURUSD, AUDCAD, and USDCAD. So this pair I'm looking at is probably up here. It's waiting some sort of rejection. Yeah, 600. It's good to put these little marks there, and if you look at this section here where you can see all this highlighted, those are Asian lows and Asian highs. Okay, that's a good one here. So well, we gotta wait until the Asian high probably by. Okay, so this one here, so it's taken out, it's gone. So that was Thursday. We'll probably have to wait for Sundays. Yeah, so these I put these here like Asian. Yeah, I just mark these up really. So Asian highs and lows, where the market does push towards. Breaks the low, then goes towards the high. Yeah, so it's broke that, goes up. Might hate that. But we have to wait and see for Sunday night. Alright, let's move on. Let's have a look at the H1. Yeah, so it's probably something like this I'm looking at. But this, I don't know about this point here. It's probably these zones are a little bit more comfortable. But at this point, I can, if you go to the lower time frames, yeah, just well, a little range here. But we'll wait and see what happens. Yeah, nothing much. It's more like a range. Alright, USDCAD. Oh, this looks a bit nice. So I did go to the... Get rid of that. Daily. The last daily was... sorry. The last daily was on November 23. I went there. Well, and now it's heading towards that daily high. So if you look at the daily here, what's the next daily? It is 2022. So 2023 was the last November and October. Yeah, so pretty much like under a year apart. It's heading towards the daily. So I'm pretty much looking at this sort of section here, which it can reject and go bit down to this, last low, and then retest or go up or go down. But if it goes down, it's just going to start dropping down. So we can see, this range here. Look at all that. It's heading towards probably. It can break down there, but I don't know. So the US oil, which I use, okay, this one is my old chart. Okay. I don't trade this pair, but I use this for correlation for USDCAD. It pretty much is in the same direction. Look, that's going down. That one's going up. So it's a great pair just to have. I don't trade, CFDs or anything like that, or US 30 or other sort of pairs, but only currencies at the moment. As soon as I get a bit better, I would start trading, CFTs and other stuff. So for now, I think currencies is the best bet. Gold is one of them. It's just too risky. Yeah, something like this. I don't have much about this one at the moment. So what are we looking at? Yeah, this one here. No, it's not OB. No. So that's it for this week's charts. And I shall see you in the next video of the weekly charts. So thanks guys for watching and trade safe.